Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can off the data connection for the WhatsApp on the iPhone. So let's get started. How you can make it off or on. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open this, and I'm going to drag this here. So as you can see, now you can see these options here. So we have to click on this, and this is mobile data. So if you want to make it on, you can also do that. Now it's off. So as you can see, now it's off. If you make it on, you can also do that. You have to click on this and it will be on. Now you can go to the WhatsApp and you can use it. So as you can see, I'm here. So if you want to send any kind of message, you can also do that. But if you are going to swipe this, and I'm going to click on this here, and now I make it off, and now as you can see, and now you will not be able to send or receive any kind of message. So in this way you can control the data of the WhatsApp. You can make it on or off on the iPhone. And I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can off or on the data connection on the iPhone. So see you in the next video.